Clark County Animal Control.
Yes, I would like to report a swarm of rats going down the Las Vegas Strip.
How many rats do you think there are?
I'd say a fair 300 or 500 rats.
Sir, can you repeat that?
I'd say around 300 to 500 rats.
Okay, we're dispatching units down there. Please stay away from the rats. I think we need to call the Las Vegas Police Department and get them to warn the public on this situation.
Yeah.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Clark, Nevada, beginning at 7:40 p.m. and ending at 8:40 p.m. Message from BlueVersaNet. This is a message from Las Vegas Animal Control and Las Vegas Police Department. All residents of Las Vegas, please lock your doors for the night. A swarm of rats has infested the area near downtown Las Vegas. Again, all residents of Las Vegas, please lock your doors for the night. Thank you.